If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. Anybody Packer fans? We are Packer fans, and today is Packer football. Look at Bella. Look at Bella in her Packer outfit. Isn't she so sweet? We are making easy blender cake, and Kai's taking over the video because you can't even see Mom. That's all right. Easy blender cake. If you don't even like to bake, you don't know how to bake, you're gonna want to make this cake because it's super easy, super good. Kai,
This is huge.
This is huge. You want to? Here, you want Mommy to wear it? Mommy will wear it. Okay. So what we need to do for the easy blender cake, Kai, I want you to put in 1.5 cups of Swerve confectioners into the blender. Okay, and all of it. Yep, all of it. And I want you to crack the 2 eggs into that bowl. Okay, because you know how we've gotten shells. Crack it into the bowl. Okay. There we go. 1, do you have any shells? No, good. And 2. Okay, so now that we don't have any shells, put the 2 eggs into the blender. All right, and we're gonna put 1/2 cup of melted, we have coconut oil. If you wanna use butter, go for it, use butter. We have a dairy-free right now. All right, and the vanilla. Put the vanilla on in there.
This?
Yep, that's the vanilla. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla because vanilla is delicious, all right? Oh, let's try to get it into the blender. Now, we need to puree this a little bit. It's all right. It's okay, everything washes. We have water now. Here we go. Okay. Now, we can start doing the dry ingredients. So we want 2 cups of blanched almond flour. Oh, wait, stop. I forgot something. Always, all right. We're going to do 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And then we're going to blend it. Stop. We're doing the wet ingredients. Wet ingredients right now, okay?
Hey, that's wet.
Yep, but that's at the very end. Okay, so now we're going to do the 2 cups of blanched almond flour right on in there. And we want just a pinch of our Redmond real salt. A little bit of salt in desserts goes a long way. And we're going to stop where, coconut flour. We have 1/4 cup of coconut flour. There we go. We have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 3/4 cup of unsweetened unsweetened cocoa powder. That's what that is. Let's mix. Nope, just wait. Now, so here's the thing. You don't drink coffee. You don't have to put coffee in there, but what's your favorite drink? Kai is a true Ethiopian. He loves coffee. You could do a cup of hot water or a cup of very hot water, and you're gonna pour this in here, Kai, and it's gonna bubble.
Drink it.
No, put it on in here. You wanna drink it? It's 1 cup, okay? Oh, the whole thing, Kai. Pour it on in there. There we go. Yay! And it kind of bubbles when you do that.
Michael?
And we're gonna turn this on. And you have blender cake. You might want to scrape the sides down. What are you guys fighting for? You just love to fight, right? No. You guys are nice. Okay, let's move everything aside. All right, and beep, beep. Now we have, I'm using this nice bundt pan. Everything bundt pan is delicious. So I'm gonna use my Primal Kitchen avocado oil spray really well to do that. And I'm gonna just dump this right on in here. You don't mind if I do it, do you, Kai?
Yeah.
Bella, you don't wanna eat chocolate. Oops, that's empty now because we used it all. And everybody always asks me, where do you get those huge bags of Swerve, Maria? I got them on Amazon. That's where I got them. I don't like to go to the store. You all know that. Amazon has the huge bags, so I'll link that in the blog post if you want to see that. And you can find this whole recipe at mariamindbodyhealth.com. And you want to lick that? She sure does. He always does. Now this is going to go into the oven, and then we're going to start making the frosting, all right? Okay, so that's in the oven at 350. I'm gonna move this aside because we're gonna make the frosting. All right. The frosting. So This can be made dairy-free, but it is not right now. So we have a half a cup of cream cheese, and you could use Kite Hill cream cheese if you are dairy-free. And we want a half a cup of softened butter, but I melted it too much, so it's a little bit melted, but it'll work. So I'm gonna put those two together, all right? And mix, 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 mix. And I'm gonna use a half a cup of Swerve confectioners. Get all that in there. And I'm gonna mix, 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 mix. What's up? Bella's licking it. Bella, that's not meat. And then to thin it out, you could use a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, or heavy cream. And just put a little bit in there. It will thicken up. So if you put this in the fridge, it's gonna thicken up, especially after you put it on the cake and the cake has been cooled a bit, it'll thicken. But that's basically your frosting. You can add a touch of vanilla if you want to, but here, dip your finger in there. How's that taste?
That's some good stuff.
That's some good stuff, he says. All right, so we're gonna let the cake bake and we'll catch you back in a little bit. Mahalo. Aloha, everybody. We are back and we are going to frost the chocolate cake. We're so excited. So here, I want to tell you, I had it in the oven and then I put it in the freezer to let it chill, because if you plopped it out when it was still warm, that's not going to be good. So what I'm going to do is flip this over. Let's hope it doesn't break. It didn't break, yay! So this is the easy blender cake that is so easy, and it's on the blog, mariamindbodyhealth.com. And now we have the frosting that goes on to the top. Oh, look at that deliciousness. Yum. So now we should eat some, huh? All right. Can we get a Go Pack Go from everybody? We just love the Packers, right? Hence the cheese hat. So this is your easy blender cake. I made it in a blender. Can you believe that? Yeah. It is delicious, and we hope you have a great Sunday, everybody, right? Yeah. What do you want to say?
Cook with your kids.
Cook with your kids, everybody. Mahalo.
And your dogs.
And your dogs.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.